Get ready to unleash your inner gamer and creative powerhouse with the Blackview SHARK 8. This smartphone isn't just another device, it's a statement of power, precision, and style. The SHARK 8 boasts a design that's both rugged and refined. Its durable build and metallic accents give it a premium feel, while the contoured edges ensure a comfortable grip during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, it's available in striking colors that demand attention. Dive headfirst into a breathtaking visual experience with the SHARK 8's expansive 6.78-inch 2.4K FHD Plus display. Colors burst with life, and every detail is crystal clear. But it's not just about the looks. The 120Hz dynamic refresh rate delivers buttery smooth visuals, whether you're scrolling through apps or battling in high-octane games. Under the hood, the SHARK 8 is fueled by the mighty MediaTek Helio G99 processor, a true performance beast. Say goodbye to lags and hello to blazing fast speeds. With up to 16 GB of RAM, you can switch between demanding apps and games without skipping a beat. Photographers and videographers, rejoice! The SHARK 8 has you covered with its massive internal storage of up to 256 GB, plus support for up to 1 TB of expandable storage. Store those high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and entire game libraries without ever running out of space. Capture all your adventures in stunning clarity. The SHARK 8's advanced 64MP rear camera system, backed by Blackview ArcSoft 7.0 algorithms, ensures your photos and videos always look their best, even in challenging lighting conditions. With its massive 5,000 mAh battery, the SHARK 8 keeps up with your demanding lifestyle. Stream videos, play games, and stay connected all day without worrying about running low on power. The Blackview SHARK 8 isn't just a smartphone, it's your key to unlocking unlimited potential. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative visionary, or just someone who demands the best, the SHARK 8 is the ultimate companion. Click the link in the description below to learn more about the Blackview SHARK 8 and snag your own. Thanks for watching.